Taiwan produces 1.5 million tons of rice each year, with strong agricultural capacity, but faces both labor shortages and intense manual work. Traditional stacking relies on manual labor, with low efficiency and limited capacity to handle workforce gaps. The Intelligent Stacking Expert system uses a low-code, user-friendly interface. It includes stacking algorithms to quickly generate layouts and previews, making it easy for operators to use on site. The system applies AI deep learning to build a high-resolution energy model, optimize robotic paths and settings, and cut energy use by over 15%. In 2024, the system was recognized by APEC PPSTI. Applied in rice mills, it boosts efficiency by 20% and saves over 1 million new Taiwan dollars yearly. Now adopted in fertilizer and packaging industries, this innovation drives the transformation of smart agriculture and manufacturing.